Alright, we're pulling into the scrapyard this morning to get rid of these transformers I found yesterday. I had a couple other odds and ends laying around the house, a couple ACRs and electric motors, but the GoPro was really having an issue this morning with the audio. It was really staticky. Couldn't hear anything I was saying, so hopefully this one's better. After we leave here, we are going to, my neighbor actually has a junk truck to get rid of, so we're going to go ahead and get that, so we'll pick it up then. Alright, so nice $73 start for the day. There's all the ways and pays. I ended up finding about 6 or 8 more transformers as I was emptying out the truck at the scrapyard, so our transformer weights aren't nowhere near close. But the small batteries, their scale said they weighed 7. Mine said almost 8, but otherwise it was really good for a free dumpster dive. Alright, pulling out of my driveway here, and the truck we're picking up is literally the next house over. Another Chevrolet pickup. No motor or transmission, but it was free. Can't beat it. Alrighty, here it comes. Already trying to go sideways. It's a little better now. Got a flat front right wheel. It's off the bead. That's what's making it hard to come up on straight. To straighten that. That's the problem. I wish you guys had I wish this video had smell-o-vision. It smells like 100% pot in here. And I think I seen a wrapper back there somewhere. Oh, here it is. Yeah, and it's got a blunt in it. I already looked. Gross. Gross. But hey, look at the bright side. The truck paid me to come get it 10, 20, 30, 40 cents right off the break. Not too bad. And a starter, 3 extra bucks. And some oil. Yeah, it's not full, but that's close enough. We can dump that in the old 580. Oh. Cable just went over itself. About lost the truck there. That was close. Alright, see what happens. See what happened was the winch cable kept riding, and then it clipped over this edge. So now all the weight is on the small bracket and the pillow block bearing there. So you got to loosen the cable up and push it back around. It's hard to do one-handed, but got to get it back on the drum, long story short, or else it won't wind up right. And it just keeps fraying the cable like that. Brand new $200 cable. After you get your cable hooked back up, you can keep on winching. That's about as far as you want to push it. It's plenty far enough on anyway. Roll back up. Try to avoid letting the body slam. Little crusty underneath there, huh? Oh, nice rust hole with a bee's nest. Fancy. Nice. Lift your stinger up. Strap it down and head out. Me and Vince are back at this dumpster I found all the transformers in yesterday. I kept that money for myself, so today we're back getting this wire that's in all these bags and stuff, and me and Vince will split that.
Bullshit.
Guess I gotta keep it somewhat fair to Vince. Little update on the dumpster dive here. There's probably about 15 or 20 of these thermostats. So we kept the boards. They're just low grade boards. I think it's only 10 cents a pound, but might as well get them while we're getting it. And they each have a little bit of wire on them. That's our bucket of wire. And then got about a dozen or so of these. They're some kind of little transformer in this blue case, and you can just sit it on its side and give it one good lick with the hatchet, and then it comes right out. So that'll be called field windings, and they're $1.60 a pound. What's that, your field mouse?
Yeah, I'm your little badger.
Okay.
Yeah, Vince your little badger is in here digging up some stuff.
Vince is getting more transformers. We found 15 or 20 more of those. Nice little pile of wire. Oh, look at that. A board still in its wrapper. Man. But either way, it's going pretty good. Almost done. Vince, what you got going on?
Oh my God, man. I got to go back through every bag, man. Look at this. Look. God damn it, there's plenty more.
Are they just giving it away? Are they asking to give it away?
Yes. 2 hours. Oh, look.
Oh, man.
I'll tell you, I'm finding more. Oh my God, it's more. It's more.
Oh,
I gotta check every damn bag in here there.
You can't throw away that aluminum casing right there.
It's this?
Yeah. Even if it's steel, it can go in the shred.
Cool.
Smiths will buy it.
Smith? That's right. We can throw that in the truck. Well, we should have took this plastic and let Smith parts it when we go up. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Nice little copper on there. Nice.
Yes. Oh my God. Look at the wire it left us. Oh, he left us a little bit of everything in this. Oh. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh. God damn it. Yes. Yes. We scored again. What is this, a hose? That's no good. We don't want this. Oh yeah, this is going in the truck or something when they go to Smith or something.
Yeah.
Oh, we taking the thing to Smith, right? Oh man.
We can fill that big drum up again though.
And take that to Smith? Oh man. Look at this. Oh, I'm still grabbing. Yes.
What is that big piece of cast you got there?
I don't know. That's aluminum.
Wow.
That's aluminum, Jimmy.
That's nice.
Yes. That's aluminum.
Good 15-pound piece of dirty aluminum there. Dirty cast. You got all kinds of stuff in here.
Jimmy, you did that, Jimmy.
It just keeps coming.
You just spotted that, Jimmy. You said, "Ho, Vinny, there's a black bag." I said, "Let's get him." Yes. This is what we do, you guys. There. Oh, hold up. We're not finished. Yeah, I told you.
Don't let that steel conduit go. Let's see the wire.
Well, you're going to get that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. This can go in the van, in the truck. Oh, that'll help him to weigh that. Oh, there's another little piece of metal I see. Yeah, you can buy that too. Yeah. That's the kind of guy Smith is. That's the kind of guy we fuck with. Yeah, they them good kind of people. They buy every goddamn thing when you give it to them.
All right, we just flipped that couch up and revealed the greatness underneath. Vince, what's in that bag?
Let's see here. Let's see what we got here, Jimmy. Oh, I'm taking my time to open it. Like
I see. You're really
Oh God, it fucked it.
nothing?
Oh, we get nothing but a goddamn bag of trash.
Oh man.
Oh.
Nothing, huh?
Oh, we got nothing that time. That's okay though. That's okay. We're gonna score again.
There's more.
See, I've been all over. Now, I wonder.
I just pulled out another one of these big black boxes here. The heat sink's on the other end. Let me see. That nice big heat sink on there. Nice clean aluminum. What's that? I missed it.
The badger has struck again.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
What we got?
Oh, I don't know. Watch it. Watch when I come up. Watch this. Oh, man. Man. Oh.
All right. Look at that.
All right. Look at that.
Is that a toaster I see down there?
Yes, it is.
Well, the scrapyard needs that in case they want to make toast with their coffee.
Oh, do fries go with that chick?
Yes, absolutely.
Let's get this.
Yeah.
Let's here.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Snips.
Yep. Look at that. Nice shiny finish.
In it. Let's see what else we got out in here. Let's see. So I had to come from this way to get down to that way.
It's looking a little dry down there in that corner, Vince.
Oh, no, 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 no.
No?
No.
All right.
Yeah.
Couple more boards.
God, dug it.
There's at least a quarter's worth of boards there.
Yeah. Hold up, I think I might have another piece to go with it.
All right.
Oh,
Negative.
take me out.
Negative.
Uh-oh. Let's see here.
Nope.
Guess your ass
What's
might
in
as
the
well go
box?
Scrap too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what do we got? Hold up. We
Oh,
got something.
okay.
a
Maybe a
battery?
little transformer in there.
Yeah. Look at the
Okay.
board.
Yeah.
It is a battery.
Is it?
I don't know. Check that, Jimmy. There it is. That little box on the end right there.
Uh-huh. We'll see.
Yeah.
Okay. We've depleted the dumpster. It's done. Look how much better it looks now. Almost level with the top of the dumpster. They got way more room to jam more stuff in if they want.
That's because you got the Bobcat and the Badger.
That's right.
See that? That's the work that they do. Very
Nice
good
and
work.
clean. Ground's cleaned up. No mess.
Yes.
Looks good.
So
Since we're on dumpster diving route today, this big industrial park, it's got 3 or 4 rows of dumpsters and stuff.
Jimmy, it's a nice piece of yellow fucking copper wire just went down that corner right there.
Oh yeah.
I gotta move that.
But there's an automotive shop around here, and a couple pieces of stainless in there, 1 big piece of steel, and then more to come here in a minute. And on to the next one. Nope. My man gave me a signal. Keep on going.
Nothing but wood.
Looks like carpet in the next one.
Oh, carpet in this. Man, it's just stopping at him. It's a carpet.
Wouldn't be complete without a couple brake rotors in there. Oh yeah. Number 1
There's
HMS.
the other thing over. Oh, there's another one.
Oh yeah, you know there's 2, there's 3. Wow. Couple car seats here if you were interested.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. It's from a trailer. Whoa! Fell off the damn seat, Vince.
Oh my
Okay.
God, don't tell
Back
me,
up on my feet.
don't tell me this.
I gotta
is what
hop in
think
this
I
one.
see it here. Another great
Boy, they just keep on coming. Look at that. 1, 2. That's the backing plate to it. And we just pulled out the 4th one. Oh, that's a nice dumpster.
Oh!
How's the Badger doing? There it is. I knew we were missing another one somewhere. Up next, got a nice sink here with a brass faucet. Simple as unscrewing these 2 little beauties right here and pull it off. Wonder what else is in here. Oops, little piece of steel, couple cents. Piece of, I don't know if that looks like steel. Oh, the refrigerator rack, it can go. They like buying stuff like this. And underneath the futon is a nice bicycle. Already missing 1 tire. Even better.
You threw that.
Alright, so I just hopped in this good size commercial dumpster here. They're redoing making a Chipotle there. And there's just a plethora of this nice aluminum casing with wire inside of it. Some of it's empty, some of it's full, but we're gonna yank it all out and then I'll pick it back up then. Okay. So okay. So the dumpster's pretty much scavenged, just a skeleton left. All this nice aluminum wire casing, whatever you want to call it. The name is escaping me.
The badger digs up.
But some of it, like this little beauty, still has the wire in it, so we'll pull all that out.
Yes. Yes.
Service truck's looking nice and full.
Yeah. This
Nice
is
heavy
copper
load.
ends too, you know that. Wonder how much.
Yeah, oh yeah, look at these sprinkler ends.
Yeah,
Nice and brassy.
Let me see how heavy they are.
That'll be a pretty good load.
Yeah, let me see. They
We're up
pretty good.
we're
They
up
have
to 2.5 hours now for this load.